Dina, yes.
Dina. What's your last name?
Smith. Sign. Thank you. Thank you. Hey YouTube, it's Let's Try and See with Dina B. So I'm coming to you with a quick unboxing. Well, there's no box. Unbagging, I don't know. But I got my bundles from the 11/11 sale on AliExpress with Yvonne here. So I am going to go ahead and open it up for you. I got it open and I got 6 bundles from the 11/11 sale. So once again, here is the insert that they always send with the different types of hair. And then I just dropped something. Hold on. Right. And these are like the hair. So what we got? We got 116, 118, 2 20s, 2 20s, a 22, and a 24. 6 bundles from the 11/11 sale. I'm not sure if it's still going on, but I just wanted to show you guys my unboxing. It's a really quick video, probably not even 5 minutes, but there we are. Beautiful hair. Let me open one for you. This is the 16-inch, and as you can see, it's coiled. I did not wash it or anything. I literally just got it from the DHL lady. But yep, this is how the hair comes. And I will be updating you because we are going blonde for all of these bundles. We're going blonde. All right. That's all I wanted to let you know. That's all I wanted to show you was my unboxing on how the hair is delivered. I bought it on Saturday morning and here we are Tuesday and I already got it. Mwah! I love this hair. No weird smell or anything like that. Just beautiful, beautiful hair. 16-inch. Like I said, I got 6 bundles for the sale because stuff was incredibly cheap. And yeah, so next time you guys make sure y'all catch that sale. Bye.